Today is going to be my peaceful day. This is a message that 19 Buddhist monks who are walking in silence from Texas to Washington, D.C. want to share. And for 4 days, they walked through the Piedmont of North Carolina, and I was there for 3 of their talks.
For the last 4 days, when we came to North Carolina to hear, I don't know where all the people come from. But it's everywhere. Like today, we walk about 10 miles from the lunch location to here. 10 miles of people. And when we came here, we arrived here, and all this much of people, so we really don't have to go to work or what?
The talk isn't about religion or world issues. It's about intention and mindfulness. And at the end, they pass out peace bracelets.
We have to become a role model for our kids. This is how we change this family, this world.
This idea of focusing on our lives with short stories, and here are my takeaways. First was mindfulness and breath. Acknowledge the outside noises in your world and return to yourself through your breath. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking is how we lose ourselves. Focus on the one thing with intention. Back to that mantra, today is going to be my peaceful day. Say it out loud, write it out, and return to it. And finally, less time with a cell phone. He calls it your lover, and we do everything with it.
We always chase after the new version of phone coming out. And there are years that you have to change 2 or 3 lovers. You know why? Those times when you brought him and her to the toilet and talk. You love it. I don't know why you love talking with your lover in the toilet while you do it number 1 and number 2. And then being not mindful, you are unmindful when talking with your lover in that toilet. Somehow you drop her or him in that bowl. ... You feel it in what's in there. And now you have to change another lover. So 2 or 3 lovers per year. So wasteful, right? So don't bring her or him to the toilet anymore. Leave them outside. Go do your number 1 and number 2. Come out because it stinks in there.
It was awesome seeing the large crowds respectively welcoming the monks to our community, listening to their message.
I will not give up. Giving up is so easy. Anybody can do this. And a lot of people have been giving up. It's because they always wanted to walk on the smooth path. They don't like roller coaster. But in this life, there will be no smoother path. It's always up and down. That's our life.
And I felt like I saw in a lot of people walking away a little bit more calmness in their lives.
Our venerable monks will pass out the peace bracelet.
Thank you.
Today is going to be my peaceful day. That's it.
See you soon on the Backroads. Don't forget to like and subscribe.